Okay, everybody. This is day one of my actual vacation to build our yard haunt. I'll take you through a quick walk from the front yard. I'll videotape a separate one for the back. Did it say videotape? All right. Anyway, okay. We did a lot of work for the month itself. Usually, most of the stuff I picked up, probably a couple hours worth of work every day after work. But like I said, today's the beginning of my vacation, so I'm hoping to hammer quite a bit out. Today is the 20th. I got about 11 days to get this thing fully running, so I will take you through like the front deck area here. This will probably be a lot like witches and stuff like that. I don't really do a lot of that, but take you down these stairs. We have been putting up a lot of the foam boards throughout the week. So just trying to make it easier instead of having to scramble at the very end. It is a lot of stuff to get up there. We had the wall petitions that I usually always put up. Not so much. It started out to keep people out during building and just wandering into the haunted house randomly. But then it became more of like to help for like a guide. But as you can see, I'm not a great carpenter or anything like close to it. So there'll be probably a lot of fixes to the mistakes made during the build. I said, yeah, we got for the front yard. I got most of the roof already put up. I'm hoping to knock out the entire front yard today and hopefully start roofing the backyard. This will be the entrance to the cornfield. I'll be putting on. This is different this year. I don't usually roof my entire cornfield, but October's been really rainy out here this month. Missouri weather's pretty crazy. It's like 80s one days and then like freezing temperature the next. But yeah, this is the entire front property. I'll take you back to this view, so they'll end up coming through this way, going down. So, alright, I will catch back up with you guys later. Try to give my best update I can. I try to just focus on, like, grinding out the work. Because, yeah, 11 more days.